Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making yummy soup recipe. Basic ingredients: yummy in taste. Mango ginger 1 inch, finely chopped. Garlic 2, finely chopped. Pak choy leaf 1, roughly chopped. Enoki mushroom 200 grams, roughly chopped. In a saucepan, water 4 cups. Boil for 2 minutes. Now add veg stock 1 cube. Boil for 2 minutes. Now add chopped mango ginger, chopped garlic, enoki mushrooms, pak choy leaf. Mix everything. Cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. Now add rice noodles 50 grams. Boil for 5 minutes. Soya sauce 1 tablespoon. Mix everything. Now ready to serve. Yummy healthy soup is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.